Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. 6.0 magnitude earthquake strikes South Pacific. No immediate damage reported. An earthquake of magnitude 6.0 struck the South Pacific Ocean in the early hours of Wednesday, according to the National Center of Seismology or NCS. The quake occurred at 2:14 a.m. Indian Standard Time on February 11, 2026. It was recorded at the depth of 515 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, making it a deep focus earthquake. As per the agency, the epicenter was located at the latitude of 21.15 south and longitude 178.28 west in the South Pacific Ocean. So far, there have been no immediate reports of the damage or casualties. The region where the earthquake occurred falls along the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt, better known as Ring of Fire. According to the United States Geological Survey, this belt accounts for nearly 81% of the world's largest earthquakes and around 90% of all earthquakes globally. Stretching about 40,000 kilometers around the Pacific Ocean, the Ring of Fire is one of the most seismically active zones on the Earth. It is formed along the tectonic plate boundaries, where the massive plates of the Earth's crust collide and one plate sinks beneath the another in the process known as subduction. These movements often trigger powerful earthquakes and volcanic activity. Historically, the Ring of Fire has witnessed some of the most devastating earthquakes ever recorded, including 9.5 magnitude Chile earthquake in 1960 and the strongest ever measured, and the 9.2 magnitude Alaska earthquake in 1964. Experts estimate that around 500,000 earthquakes are detected globally each year. Of these, about 100,000 can be felt and nearly 100 cause significant damage. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.